Hi, everyone. Welcome back to BBC English Online. I'm Zara, and today we're going to make your daily English conversations much easier and smoother. Have you ever been in a situation where you wanted to speak English but couldn't find the right words? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to share with you some of the most common English phrases that you can use in everyday life. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident to speak English in different situations. So, let's get started. Phrases 1. How are you? One of the most common questions in English is, how are you? You will hear this everywhere, at school, at work, at the store, or even in casual conversations with friends. Example answers. I'm good. I'm doing well. Not bad. I'm fine, thank you. Pretty good. Tip. When someone asks you, how are you? Always answer politely and try to add a little extra detail if you want. For example, I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? I'm good. I just started a new hobby. Short dialogue. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thanks. Next. Nice to meet you. When meeting someone for the first time, it's polite to say, nice to meet you. Usage examples. After introducing yourself. Hi, I'm John. Nice to meet you, John. Meeting a colleague. Hello, I'm Emily. Nice to meet you, Emily. Tip. You can also say, it's a pleasure to meet you. I'm glad to meet you. Short dialogue. Hello, I'm Zara. Nice to meet you, Zara. Nice to meet you too. Next. Could you please repeat that? Sometimes you don't understand what someone said. In that case, you can politely ask, could you please repeat that? Other ways to ask. Can you say that again? I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Would you mind repeating that? Short dialogue. The meeting is at 3 p.m. Sorry, could you please repeat that? Yes, the meeting is at 3 p.m. Tip. Always use please to sound polite. Next. Excuse me, sorry, thank you. These three phrases are very important in English and can be used in many situations. Excuse me, use it to get someone's attention or to pass by someone. Example. Excuse me, can I ask a question? Example. Excuse me, may I get through? Sorry, use it to apologize. Example. Sorry, I didn't see you there. Example. I'm sorry I'm late. Thank you. Use it to show gratitude. Example. Thank you for helping me. Example. Thanks a lot for your support. Short dialogue. Accidentally bumps into B. Oh, excuse me. Sorry about that. No problem. Thank you. Tip. Saying these phrases politely makes you sound friendly and respectful. Next. What's up? This is an informal greeting often used with friends or younger people. It means, how are you? Or what's going on? Example answers. Not much. I'm just relaxing. Everything's good. Just working on something. Short dialogue. Hey, what's up? Not much. How about you? Just studying English. Tip. Use what's up only with friends or peers, not in formal situations. Next. No problem. This phrase is used to respond politely when someone thanks you. It is similar to saying, you're welcome. Examples. Thank you for your help. No problem. Thanks for lending me your book. No problem. Anytime. Short dialogue. Thanks for helping me with my homework. No problem. Happy to help. Tip. You can also say, you're welcome. Anytime. Next. Have a good day. This is a polite way to say goodbye. It's used in shops, at work, or after a conversation. Examples. At the end of a conversation, see you later, have a good day. Leaving a store, thanks for visiting, have a good day. Short dialogue. I'll see you tomorrow. Yes, have a good day. Tip: you can also say, have a nice day. Enjoy your day. Short conversations combining phrases. Let's practice a small conversation using all the phrases we learned today. Dialogue 1. Meeting a friend. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. What's up?
Not much. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Excuse me, could you repeat that last part?
Sure, I said let's meet at 5 p.m.
Thanks. No problem. See you then. Have a good day.
You too.
Dialogue 2. At a coffee shop. Excuse me, can I order a coffee?
Sure. How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks. Could you please repeat the menu?
Yes, here it is. We have cappuccino, latte, and espresso.
Thank you.
No problem. Enjoy your coffee.
Have a good day.
You too.
Tips to remember daily phrases. Practice every day. Use 10 minutes to repeat these phrases aloud. Write them down. Keep a small notebook of useful phrases. Use flashcards. On one side, write the phrase. On the other, write the meaning. Speak with friends. Try to use at least 2 to 3 new phrases in a conversation. Listen and repeat. Watch videos in English and repeat sentences exactly. Extra tip: combine phrases naturally in conversations. For example, hi, how are you? Not much, thanks. Nice to meet you. Practice exercise. Now it's your turn. Try to answer these questions using the phrases we learned. Someone asks you, how are you? Respond in 2 different ways. A new person says, hi, I'm Emily. Respond politely. You didn't hear something. Ask them to repeat. Someone thanks you. Reply naturally. You leave a shop. Say goodbye politely. Tip: pause the video and try answering out loud. Speaking helps you remember faster. Congratulations! Today you learned some of the most important English phrases for daily conversations. How are you? Nice to meet you. Could you please repeat that? Excuse me. Sorry. Thank you. What's up? No problem. Have a good day. Remember, the key to fluency is practice, repetition, and confidence. Try to use these phrases every day, and you'll notice a big improvement in your English conversation skills. Which phrase is your favorite? Or which one do you want to practice the most? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to BBC English Online, and click the bell icon so you never miss our daily English lessons. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and keep speaking English confidently.